Hi, this is Luke, and this is how to use Audiomovers Omnibus 3 on Windows. Now that the Omnibus 3 experience is available to more users than ever before, today I'm going to walk through how to get up and running on Windows for seamless connections inside the box. So in my setup, I have two sources. I have a source DAW that's using the Omnibus A virtual driver, and I have a suitably informative and entertaining podcast in my browser, and that gets its own dedicated application driver in the sidebar here in Omnibus 3. And via Omnibus 3, I can patch all of this into my destination DAW, in this case using the Omnibus B virtual driver. I hit record, and there it is. This is all done using the crosspoint matrix over here, so it's a simple point-to-point connection. I should also mention that the Omnibus B virtual driver is routed back out to my audio interface so that you and I can hear what I'm doing. So let's try it. I can patch my left and then my right channels of my source DAW. There they are. And then I can patch my left and right channels of my browser.
That I know exactly.
And so now I get both hitting my destination DAW.
Just the crappy thing I have to deal with at the end and wish I didn't have to.
Now there are a couple of things to bear in mind when you're using Omnibus 3 on Windows. Contrasted with macOS, which has its core audio technology that can be used for typical applications like Chrome or for pro audio apps such as DAWs, Windows has the particularity of having virtual interfaces for one purpose, such as standard software like Chrome, and others dedicated exclusively for DAWs, and these are the virtual ASIO interfaces that Windows users will be familiar with. So you won't find those ASIO devices in your system configuration. Instead, you need to use the Omnibus input and output devices in your sound settings. And as always, you can use Start Control V to get to those in the usual way. So the crosspoint MO of Omnibus 3 is the same whether you're on Windows or macOS. There's no AVB networking on Windows, but I still have the option to do things like connect up using wireless NDI hookup for visiting clients. And each of Omnibus 3's A, B, C and D drivers provide up to 128 channels of I/O on Windows as well, so it's unlikely that I'll ever run out of channels. So that's how to use Audiomovers Omnibus 3 on Windows. To find out more and to read our full article, head over to the Production Experts blog.